Hey guys, JR Fisher here. Down here you can kind of see over my shoulder there, you can kind of see the ocean down here in Del Mar, California. And I wanted to tell you how to make $1 million sales funnel. Okay, so you've heard of these things called sales funnels, and maybe you've tried to build one and it just didn't work. You didn't make your $1 million or whatever. But you got to understand, making a sales funnel is really not making it and all of a sudden it makes you $1 million. It's nothing like that. As a matter of fact, making $1 million sales funnel can take you months to do, because what you do is you start off with the basics, you build on those basics, and you keep tweaking it and tweaking it and tweaking it until it gets to the level you want. And I'm going to give you an example. We have a book sales funnel, and that book sales funnel, we sell a book for $5.60, not a lot of money. I've talked about this before, and some of you have figured this out and you're kind of working on yours now. But $5.60 is not a lot of money. So what do we do to make a lot of money on this funnel? Well, we do several things. First off, we start off with a picture of that book, okay? And what we do is we may take 4 or 5 different backgrounds with that particular book on a different background. And we look and see how many people are clicking on that. Now, in addition to that, the book only sells for $5.60, so we're not going to get rich off that. But we also have a bump on there for an audio of the book. Now, I will tell you, 80 to 90% of the people take the audio bump. They see that little bump there, $5 more, they get the audio of the book, and it gives them the freedom to listen to that book wherever they go, which is pretty cool. After they buy the book, it goes to another page and offers them one of our courses, and they range from $27 a month to $47 to $97. And a lot of those people will buy that course, which is cool. So now what we've done is we've upped the value of that funnel right there. Then what happens is we follow up with other emails. We have courses that range up to $1,000. Some people buy those courses too. Okay, and then on down the road, a very, very select few people I do coaching for, and that can run into the thousands and thousands of dollars to have coaching, because these people have gotten results from all these other steps, so they know that when I give them advice on down the road, that's going to work out. So you say, well, there's your $1 million funnel, right? Not at all. Because what happens is once we get that funnel working, okay, once it looks good and it's making us money and it's positive, excuse me, the one we're running now is generating about $40 per person that goes through the funnel, and that's a buyer, and it cost me about $22 to get one of those people. So obviously that's profitable, but we don't want to stop there. What I did the other day is I got to thinking, I have this book and it's got all these different backgrounds, and we figured out which background makes us the most amount of money. But then we thought, well, why not have a different book? And I don't mean a different book in the title. I mean, what about a different book cover? So what I did is I had my graphics person make 5 different book covers. We put that on Facebook ads for engagement, and we saw which one got the most clicks. One of them got 80% more clicks than all the other book covers. Amazing. So guess what we do? We then take that book cover, we put that book cover in our ad, and we can up our ad results. So basically, this $1 million funnel, if anybody ever tells you, I built $1 million funnel, it's not something they did in a day. It's not something they did with the first images and the first headline and the first landing pages. They got something that kind of worked, and they massaged it, okay? They changed that headline a little bit, and then they saw what the results were. They changed that image a little bit, and they saw what the results were. They changed that landing page. They saw what the results were. They then changed the upsells and the downsells and saw what the results were. And then they did all kinds of different follow-up on these people to sell them other products. That's how you're going to get $1 million funnel. Not by just running an ad and going, boom, it just happened. Because it doesn't happen that way. I mean, it could, but it probably doesn't. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go over, join my group, The Art of E-Commerce Success in Facebook, and I'll see you there.